Use our conditional probability rule. We can find the probability of a 2 given that the die has landed on an even number. Probability of B given A equals the probability of A and B divided by the probability of A. So the probability of A and B is equal to 1 over 6. Divide that by the probability of A, which is 1 over 2, and you get the probability of B given A, which is 1 over 3. It can be concluded that the probability that the die rolled lands on a 2, given the information that it lands on an even number, is 1 over 3. Now that we've covered the basics, let's try out some more complex examples. A group of 58 high school students is interviewed. Of these, 25 are male and 33 are female. The students are asked whether they prefer the subject chemistry or photography. Of the boys, 14 prefer photography over chemistry, while of the girls, 15 prefer photography. It's helpful in a situation like this, with a multi-stage sample space, to draw a tree diagram to assist with the calculations of probability. Suppose we want to calculate the probability that a male selected will prefer photography as a subject. This can now be done easily using the conditional probability rule. To find the probability of a male and photography, simply multiply along the branches of the tree diagram for the selected outcome. Then, divide by the probability of a male being selected. There, the probability of a male selected having a preference for photography is 11 over 25. Now say we want to find out the overall preference of students towards photography. We need to consider both the male and female students in order to calculate this. Let's label the preference for photography as P, male students as M, and female students as F. To make our calculation, we need to use a new formula, the law of total probability. This states that the probability of P is equal to the probability of P given M times the probability of M plus the probability of P and not M times the probability of not M. In this case, not M means F. Let's input these values. 14 over 25 times 25 over 58 plus 15 over 33 times 33 over 58. Calculating this gives us an answer of half, meaning that 50% of students prefer photography over chemistry. In conclusion, if you want to be all over the subject of conditional probability, you need to
created using Powtoon.